Jessica. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my summer morning routine. I asked you guys what videos you wanted to see, and this one got a lot of requests, so I decided to film it for you guys. It's also featuring a very special little furry friend named Norton. Okay, so let's just go ahead and get on into the video. So the first thing I do in the morning is obviously wake up. On a day when I don't have to be somewhere and have something to do early in the morning, I usually wake up around 8 or 9. And first thing I'll do is turn over and pet my cat if he's there. And then I'll just usually get on my phone and see what happened on social media while I was sleeping. And I'll just check stuff on there for a couple minutes. And then I'll get up and head downstairs to make breakfast. Recently, I have been loving avocado toast, so I will just take a piece of multi-grain whole wheat bread and then toast that in the toaster. Then I'll just take an avocado and scoop out the inside and just place it on top of a piece of bread. And then after the top is mostly covered, I will just sprinkle some salt and pepper on it. And that's basically it. It's so yummy, super healthy, and very filling. And then for breakfast, I always drink crayon apple juice. I've been drinking this for so many years. It's so good. I have a glass every single morning. And then I'll usually just sit on my phone while I eat breakfast for a couple minutes. And then I'll just head up and usually work on my computer for a little bit, whether that be editing, work, stuff for school, online shopping, you know, all the good stuff. I will usually just sit on my computer and work for a little bit. And then it is time to start getting ready for the day. First thing I do for that is my makeup. So to start off my makeup, I'm applying the Shape Tape Concealer under my eyes and then just blending that in with the brush. And then I'm going in with the Sonia Kashuk powder and just setting the concealer all over my face. For my eyeliner, I use the Stila CLD liquid eyeliner. And then I'm just going in with some mascara on my top and bottom lashes, and then lining my waterline. And then I'm just lightly filling up my eyebrows. And then I'll get dressed and spray some perfume on. I've been loving the Beach Babe from Francesca's. And then I'm just adding a gold necklace onto my outfit. So for my outfit, I decided to keep it very, very comfortable, but also super cute. So I'm wearing these pink shorts from American Eagle, and they just have some little lace detailing and some tassels on them. And then I just paired that with a plain white t-shirt and then a gold necklace to accent it. And once I'm dressed, I'm ready to start my day, and that completes my morning routine. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, you should give it a thumbs up for me. And if you aren't already subscribed to my channel, well, you should definitely subscribe because I upload a lot of videos and I have some exciting stuff coming up for you guys. As always, if you have any video requests, be sure to leave those in the comments and I will try my best to do them. Also, I have my social medias linked below. Be sure to follow me on there for updates on my life, what videos I'm doing, behind the scenes pictures, and all sorts of that. I also might be filming the Instagram Followers Control My Life challenge soon. So if you want to be a part of that, be sure to follow me on Instagram. So I think that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in a new video next weekend. Bye!